This video talks about troubleshooting Schoology. If you're logged into Schoology and you're having issues being able to access Google Drive or Google assignments that are sent by your teacher, there's a couple options you can take. The first option is to make sure you're logged in with your ACPS account. In order to do that, click your icon in the upper right-hand corner, and you should see your ACPS email address at the top. If you do not see that, the best thing for you to do is to open an incognito window. In order to do that, click the three dots next to that and select New Incognito Window. At that point, log back into Schoology, follow the steps you did before, and you should be able to access your material from your Google Drive. If making sure you're logged in does not work, another step that you could take would be to delete your cache and your cookies. In Chrome, to do that, you'll click the three buttons on the top right-hand corner, select Settings. From Settings, you'll scroll down to Advanced. From Advanced, you'll click on Clear Browsing Data. At this point, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. With those selected, hit Clear Data. At this point, go ahead and go back into Schoology, log in to see if you're able to access your Google Drive. Another option for you, if you are having trouble with your Google Drive access within Schoology, is to go to your Google account. The best way to do that is to go to myaccount.google.com. From here, you click on Security. At Security, you scroll down to see third-party apps with account access. Here, you'll click Manage Third-Party Access. Scroll down until you see Schoology. Click Schoology when you see it, and then click Remove Access. At this point, when you go back to log into Schoology and try to access a Google document, it's going to ask you to log in again with your credentials. Make sure you log in with your ACPS username and password. Hopefully these steps were able to help you troubleshoot issues with Schoology and Google Drive. If you are having trouble logging into Schoology, there are a couple options that you should look at. Number one, make sure you're accessing Schoology from a link from Albemarle County Public Schools. There's a link on your toolbar that you can connect. When you get to the login screen, notice it should say Albemarle County Public Schools, Charlottesville, Virginia, underneath the login. Do not just type in Schoology.com. You'll be taken to Schoology's website. If you hit login at this point, you're going to see a login page, but notice it does not say Albemarle County Schools, Charlottesville, Virginia. You will receive an error message when you attempt to log in on this site. If you're using a direct link, make sure you type lms.k12albemarle.org. It'll take you to the correct login site. Hopefully this helps you work through potential issues you might have logging into Schoology.